Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kurat Ayuninisa and here I want to explain about ICT in English language teaching. First is ICT. What is ICT? ICT means information and communication technology. ICT refers to form of technology that are used to transmit, process, store, create, display, share, or exchange information by electronic means. ICT has played an educational role in informal and non-formal settings in programs provided by governmental agencies, public and private educational institutions, for-profit corporations and non-profit groups, and cellular and regional communities. ICT include and the use of computer technology, including hardware, peripheral devices, media, delivery system, and software. Next is the use of ICT tool. ICT is being used as a tool in improving the quality of life. Its use increasing in such a way recent years. ICT plays the lion role in communicating, establishing, and managing information. ICT tools is very important in teaching learning process. There are many different ICT tools that can be used in the teaching and learning. These tools can be applied in different educational fields. Government has included ICT as one of the curriculum in Indonesia education. The methodology is English has started a new way of using ICT in teaching. Next, ICT in English language teaching have 16 types. One is called, two is the internet, three is online learning, four is ebooks, five is audiobooks, six webinars, seven interactive whiteboards, eight mobile apps, 9 is audiovisual aids, 10 overhead projection or slide, 11 tapes recorded or gramophone, 12 is television, 13 film projection, 15 language laboratory, 15 web to application, 16 mobile phones. Okay, this one is the advantages and disadvantages of ICT in English language teaching. First is I want to tell you about advantages. Advantages for the ICT in English language teaching is first we can get the required information within a function of second. Two, learners become more innovative with the help of e-learning. 3. ICT provides the information to the student which will be useful for them to compete with this competitive world. 4. ICT can make students and teachers to work with current and authentic source. 5. Students can learn independently. And next, I want to explain you about these advantages. First is student get short span of attention because of the ICT in language learning. 2. Online learning cannot offer human interaction. 3. Student might open or log on the unnecessary website, play game or teach. 4. Intense required for self-discipline and self-direction. 5. Good infrastructure and trained manpower is required to use the ICT tool in teaching and learning. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.